About 10:15, and I'm about ready to begin my exercises. Super excited. Rock and roll, live my dream. I did my garden work in the morning. I got like 45 beds. Uh, so we did collards, spinach, kale, radishes. Going to do Brussels sprouts and pickles, tomatoes, cucumber, zucchini. And the funny thing is, when you have that many beds, you work. And at I was tired at 9:30, so I took a break, a banana break, and a raspberry break. Every banana is 110 calories. Had maybe 7, 8 today. It's 1,000 calories. One avocado is 350 calories. Two sets of raspberries made 1,600 calories. And now I'm ready to rock and roll. And people said to me, "You're not supposed to be feeling that good." I said, "This is my power. This is my surge. This is what keeps me strong." There's no energy on digestion. God's food, God's garden, God's love, God's body. Key to staying strong is fruits and veggies. You know why? One banana. There are no chemicals in it. None, zero. We're not designed to take chemicals. Think about it. We're not designed to put chemicals in our body. You know why? We've got 98,000 miles of arteries. How does these chemicals know where to go? Is it recognized by the body? Is it recognized by the body? From my understanding, and I could be wrong, in order for the body to recognize anything, it has to meet 6 qualifications. If it doesn't have these 6 qualifications in a complete package, the body does not recognize it. Glucose, protein, vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, and water in a complete package. Only fruit meet that qualification. Vegetables meet that qualification. Everything else, once it's cooked, it's destroyed. Now, the question is, who do you listen to? I don't know. It has to make sense to you. I'm just a guy with some fig trees in my bedroom, some lemon trees in my bedroom, some more fig trees in my bedroom, some plants in my bedroom, some snake plants in my bedroom. And as I walk through, I have monkey bars, there's a swing, I have more plants over there. And I'm 73, going on 47. Who do you believe? Don't believe me. You have to see for yourself. Find your truth, find your passion. Find your truth, find your passion. What is real, what is not real. It's that simple. I've been in business, my 30th year in business. 30 years in business. 30 years. 6 days a week. 12 hours a day, my off day. Today's my off day. 12 hours. It's 72 hours a week. Day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out. So, this is what we do. When you eat fruit, it creates a calling within you. It creates a calling to speak the truth. In my opinion, there should be no disease in this country. No war in this country. Because our body is at peace. My body is at peace. It's in a state of love because there's no chemicals inside the body. There's some, but not many. Not as much as the average American. What am I trying to say? I have no idea. What's my goal? I have no idea. Why am I doing this? I have no idea. I do get a lot of flack a lot of times on what I say, on what I believe. That's the way it is. You do the best you can. Boom, boom, boom. It's about 10:15. I got 45 minutes to exercise, maybe an hour exercise. Rock and roll, living a dream. Super excited. Staying strong. God's food, God's garden, God's body, God's law. You got to do your best. Find your truth. See you tomorrow. Bye.